Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram login problem. All what you wanna do is very simple. Just go to the settings right here and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you're gonna find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll until you find Telegram, click on it, click on force stop, and after that click right here on storage, click on clear cache, go back again, click on data usage, disable the Wi-Fi and mobile data and enable them back again. Go back into the settings on your phone, open the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode, and after that disable it. That's it, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.